Hello, and thank you for watching. I want to show you another way that you can use the mass mail feature. So this feature, I'm going to show you how to use it starting from the buyers and groups or members and groups area of your membership module. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send out a message to users that haven't made a purchase in the last 3 months. I'm going to select these two filters and then click search. And that's going to narrow down my list of buyers that haven't purchased within this time period. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on Mass Mail. So when I click on the Mass Mail button, it's going to now take me over to the mailer section, and it's going to have the search results, which is what we just did, is we went into the members and groups and we did a search for those members that haven't purchased within 3 months. I have already created a one-time mailer prior to this that I'm just going to use. So I want to scroll down, I'm going to find it. There's quite a few in here. I click send out, and that's going to bring it up to like an edit mode. So if there's anything I want to tweak right now, I can go ahead and tweak it. It's pretty straightforward. It's we miss you, we want you to come back. Here's a coupon code to come back and save money on our site. I have already received permission from Brian to go ahead and get this sent out to his customers that haven't purchased within 3 months or longer. So I'm going to go ahead and save and send now. It's going to send me over to the scheduled tasks area where it's going to compile that list of members and start sending them out. And this is one of the many cool ways you can use our mass mail feature, which gives you no restrictions. You can do an unlimited number of mailings a month to an unlimited number of members, something that you don't get anywhere else. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great one.